Trapaholics Mixtapes.
You know, I wanted to, but Captain Howard said, I'm irresponsible. No, he said loose cannon. That's because I'd be shooting in public. Bang, bang, just out of nowhere sometimes.
Mike! No, man. Please.
1, 2, niggas coming for you. 3, 4, better tuck your hoe.
Trapaholics.
6, better cuff your bitch. 7, 8.
You ain't know.
I'm like, I got a thing for them red bitches and tongue rings. I'm everywhere like fingerprints on a touch screen. Yeah, nigga, all about the bread. Sunbeam, AM, Brick Squad merging into one team. Duncan hit me up for this bad bitch number. Then he told me her name. Nigga, I already fucked up. And he did too. Will and Martin, bad boys. As far as status, I'm out of space like an asteroid. Not giving head, it may be right, it may be wrong. But it can't be wrong. Fellatio is her favorite song. It's like a bag of bitch whenever the sun shine. That's why I send him the same text at one time. Wait, that street you ain't. He too gay like B2K. Please you say in French and see vous play. Okay, it's me who rage. Whoever stole my microphone, you can have it. I get it right back as a write-off on my taxes. 1, 2, don't coming for you. 3, 4, better tuck your hoe. 5, 6, I'ma take your breaks. 7, 8, out of hole.
Trapaholics.
Summertime in the AC, winter ACG. Spring, I'ma bling like money ain't a thing. 6'8", standing tall in the ball. I'm a ball, Cumberland or Lennox Mall. Like, bitch, I want it all. Really, I don't give a fuck. Swag make them chickens puck. Kids say I'm arrogant. Put my picture on the truck. Japanese sushi, my bitch kinda bushy. Lil' Grey Goosey, make her get lucid. Don't make me send Diego to your padre. Shorty swing my way, Julio my compadre. Time to share this money, go shorty, wish I could. Can't keep a bitch, role model Tiger Woods. Catch me in the hood like the little engine that could. Only thing you getting free is dick and canned goods. A young fly flashy nigga, gotta respect it. Label ain't talking meals, then I gotta reject it. Don't. 1, 2, niggas coming for you. 3, 4, better lock your door. 5, 6, better cuff your bitch. 7, 8, better stay away.
Yeah, I'm on some new shit. Son, I do this. Real motherfuckers who I move with. Hey, you shorty over there with the loose lips. Come put this wood in your mouth like a toothpick. She a pop off, and these niggas been cuffin'. Run that train on this beat. Me, Kid, and Slim Duncan. My niggas spill those 8s. Straight peel your face, fam. You soft, you should've been born with a pillowcase. I got so many bars, I spit jails. I'm so sick, my fans send me cards saying get well. Straight the fuck up, you know I'm from the streets, boy. You know the deal though. No, not a freak toy. And I am in your ear like a Bluetooth. Yeah, it's me, I'm out of space, I'm a guru. Get the fuck out the way while I take a doo-doo. Shitting on the game, bitch, you know the name, L.
1, 2, niggas coming for you. 3, 4, better lock your door. 5, 6, better cuff your bitch. 7, 8, better stay awake.
Uncle Mike, did you have a date last night?
Ooh, did I? Let me tell you, boy, now this girl was no.
Hey, don't you go telling my son none of your sleazy sex stories.
Oh, no, I only tell your husband my sleazy sex stories.
Well, I don't want him knowing about him either. Gives him ideas.
Why you putting me in this, man?
I don't kiss and tell, whatever you want.
I can be your man.
Trapaholics.
I can be your friend. I can be your lover. I don't kiss and tell. I don't kiss and tell. Whatever you want.
I can be your girl, you can be my boo. We can keep it all between me and you. I don't kiss and tell. I don't kiss and tell.
Yeah.
Whatever you want, baby.
Yeah. Slow down, we don't never go out. We turn up like Roscoe, now she wanna show out. I can put you to sleep, I can make you dream. And if that pussy clean, I can make you scream.
Real trap
we
shit.
arguing cause I don't know your favorite things. Sooner or later we make up. Act like you need it, my tongue was in between it. Hickeys on your neck so them other niggas see it like. That's right, shout it super fly. And I just don't know why I can't keep her out my sight, yeah. And I ain't really mean to call you a bitch though. Said you don't kiss and tell, but all your friends know. I can be your other, I can be your friend, I can be your lover. I don't kiss and tell, I don't kiss and tell, whatever you want.
I can be your girl, you can be my boo. We can keep it all between me and you. I don't kiss and tell, I don't kiss and tell, whatever you want, baby.
I don't kiss and tell cause I know you got a man. But remember the time you caught that with no hands? Fall off in the club and you ain't gotta guess who. Big Slim Dunkin', ladies love it when I say woo.
Damn,
you got
son.
A man, 9 inches will replace dude. Never will I chase, baby. I ain't trying to race you. Say something, baby girl. I ain't trying to drape you. Love with the Benjamins, baby. I can taste you. Be a good girl and go down south. But you can't kiss and tell with that dick in your mouth. I can't even lie. I meant to call you a bitch, though. Say you don't kiss and tell, but all your friends know. I can be your man, I can be your other, I can be your friend, I can be your lover. I don't kiss and tell, I don't kiss and tell, whatever you want.
I can be your girl, you can be my boo. We can keep it all between me and you. I don't kiss and tell, I don't kiss and tell, whatever you want, baby.
I can be your man, I can be your other, I can be your friend, I can be your lover. I don't kiss and tell, I don't kiss and tell, whatever you want.
I can be your girl, you can be my boo. We can keep it all between me and you. I don't kiss and tell, I don't kiss and tell, whatever you want, baby. I don't kiss and